Want to send a Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp directly from your Mac? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. To follow this guide, you only need 3 simple things, all on your Mac. First, you need the Zoom desktop client for Mac OS installed and running. Second, you need to have WhatsApp active on your Mac. This can be either WhatsApp Web, running in a browser tab like Safari or Chrome, or the installed WhatsApp desktop Mac application from the App Store. The important part is that it's already linked to your phone and is open. Third, you need a Zoom meeting to share, either one that you are currently in or one that is already scheduled in your Zoom app. First, to send a Zoom meeting link, you will need to open the Zoom desktop application on your Mac. After you have started or scheduled a meeting, you can click on the Participants button, usually found at the bottom of the window. In the Participants panel that opens, you will see an Invite button located at the bottom. Click on this button. Look in the bottom right corner of this pop-up. You will see 2 key options: Copy Invite Link and Copy Invitation. For a quick message, the cleanest option is Copy Invite Link. Click it. The Zoom meeting link is now copied to your Mac's clipboard. Now, you can open either the WhatsApp desktop application or WhatsApp Web in your browser on your Mac. Navigate to the specific chat or group where you want to share the Zoom link, paste the copied link into the chat box, and press Enter to send it. If you have an iPhone, because of the shared clipboard, you can also paste the link directly on WhatsApp from the phone. What if you run into a problem? If you paste into WhatsApp and nothing happens, or the wrong text appears, it simply means the copy Zoom link action didn't work. Go back to the Zoom app and firmly click the Copy Invite Link or Copy Invitation button one more time. If the person you invited clicks the link but can't join, it could be for 2 reasons. First, as mentioned, you might need to admit them from the waiting room, and that's how you can send a Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp on your Mac. A quick and easy way to invite people to your meetings from your computer. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.